Hello, I like to make it a cake today, which is great for the various sport lovers, for the male birthdays, for Father's Day celebrations, and for various male celebrations. Basically, I saw it's been requested, and I was hoping that I can make it something which is will pleasantly please basically this person. What I done is I make it a caramel mud cake, but it's really good if you like it to have a really good chocolate recipe, caramel mud recipe, or actually any recipe or any cake what's your husband, partner, or the for whom you make it love it. So basically I will make only one cake, but if you have a bigger party to make it a cake or bigger celebration, just make it two, simply double up. It's no problem whatsoever. I use simple a 20 centimeter 8-inch round baking pan. This is a spring baking pan. You can use just any baking. It just depends what sort of cake you choose to make it. So once we've done all that, it's a mix and bake according to instruction on the box, and it's cooled down now. It has beautiful pleasant aroma, and what we've done is we place it on a cake board, round cake board, because we will decorate this as well. I will probably not trim it. It's not hugely tall because it's a mud cake. If you want really tall, you probably need something like a strawberry cake or sponge type. The rise tend to be higher, and basically, but as I said to you before, if you have a bigger party to make it cake, then you can kind of start having higher ones or even double cake on top of each other. So it's a little bit rise, but I think I will leave it just like this. If you like it, you can level it. If you like it to do so, I will leave it. And what we do is next, using basically vanilla frosting. If you like, and if you do use caramel mud cake, take vanilla frosting, add 2 tablespoons or to your taste, any caramel spread, mix it together, and you get this little beautiful lovely smell and texture of the frosting, and it comes very well with this particular cake. So what we do is we nicely frosted all our cake all over. Once we finish frosting, set aside. Next step is take your fondant or whatever you're using ready to roll icing, or fondant more available, so it's easy to get. So what you do is take nice amount, just like about I would say around 400-500 grams, and small amount of blue fondant. Why we need this? Because we want it is put all together, and we want create color of water. You can also get simply just a blue fondant, but we want to make a little bit kind of lighter type of color of blue. As well as if you have only white fondant, you can use gel food coloring to create a color what you like, and just tint it your white fondant. As you can see, it's got straight away nice beautiful bluish color, and I think it's enough. It's basically incorporated, but if you put too much of blue, add more white, or if you don't have enough white, opposite blue, just get more blue. It just depends how much you using basically. So once we incorporate it all together, it does not have to be perfect. Some lines it's good. And what we do is sprinkle powdered sugar to prevent sticking, and we will roll. It's two ways. We can roll and place only on half a cake, or we can cover whole entire cake. But it just depends how much fondant do you have particular now. So another thing is we need to basically make sure we're able to cover even our cake board. So let's roll it to a nice big size and we cover our cake. Once you cover your cake with a blue fondant, as you can see, we cover entire cake including cake board. But if you don't have it enough of blue fondant, just cover half, because rest of other half will be covered with a different color fondant. Next is use sugar syrup or the simple water to apply a small amount of water, just a tiny bit, on the second half, and we place white fondant on top. Just a fiddle a little bit to make sure it's nice and where you wanted to see it as well. And what we do is afterwards we just again repeat with the sugar syrup or the water, just a little bit, not too much, just make sure it sticks, and we place the brown color fondant, or you can also color white fondant with a little bit brown gel for the coloring, followed by green color. So we kind of make layers of this little island. Once you attach all the layers of soil, you don't have to make them all. You can make only just a soil and the grass. Don't have to do white one, but it's all from your choice. Once you attach them, place green fondant on top, and as you can see, we wrap around half of cake on whole around half of that cake, that part. So what we do is, after we simply made up what we basically want to see. People can make up basically what the image of their father, brother, husband, partner, any basically you like, of course. I made up a figure last night just from fondant, just simply attach parts of, started from shoes, apply small amount of water or sugar syrup, attach the black legs. Well, this is like a pants made from black fondant, which is, I said, I made it 2 rocks. I just add black gel food coloring to white fondant, mix it together to make sure it looks like it's not really smooth, but that's okay. And what we do is we just place a rock around this area like that. Here we are. And another rock he sits on, basically here rock, because it's easier to find it when you are in the wild, sort of. And what we do is, after, you just can make any basically images you like to see. I made up 2 little fishes from the gray fondant, which is I made from mixing white fondant and small amount of black fondant, and because it makes then not kind of bluish, it makes really good gray color then. And so attach small little parts as well with using sugar syrup or water. I using water actually, and attach all little parts and just roll it, connected all the fins and everything, and use a toothpick to make a face just like that, as you can see. and make some eyes and like a funny sort of laughing, because he actually attached an old boot to basically fishing line. And so for the fishing rod I use a simple spaghetti, one of which is I break to the size, and thread as well. I use just a normal thread, it's a clean thread, so that's okay. And so attach to one end and just break spaghetti to a size you need it, and place it here to as a pretenses fish attach old boot to fishing line. So what we do is next, I actually made up this old-fashioned basically beer bottle made from leftover of brown fondant, which is I was using for the hair. If you cannot find that brown fondant, simply use white fondant tinted with brown gel food coloring, or use ivory. For example, this is ivory, which can be purchased easily, and add simply to ivory the brown gel food color. It will create really good brown color. So I just write it beer with the black food edible decorating pen, but you can easily use also the writing icing, just a place very small number 2 tip on the end, and just write beer. So this is white gel food coloring to pretend just that it's actually some sort of bubbles. So I made up another one. It's this is American Footy, and this and this is Soka, which Soka actually I purchased from a variety store. It's actually chocolate inside. It's just a wrapping outside look like Soka, but it's actually chocolate. So we can place as a favorite scenes right here, and you can place as many as you like. Would it be cricket, or would it be golf, or any other basically of your choice. So what we do is we place a little beer bottle right here to make sure he is enjoying. Obviously he does it. So here we are, and basically little plants we made up from leftover of a green fondant. Just roll it and squash it with your hands, or using rolling pin, doesn't really matter, and just attach with a sugar syrup or water, all various things. And the last thing is just get really cool motorbike, like really the brand he actually love it, or he maybe won't even get for his birthday, for example, like basically his favorite, the really cool one, sort of you can get various. These ones belongs to my children, and basically, but a key is to put it even could be basically present which maybe some memorabilia, or the something he really appreciated. You just get for him this little unique what he really loved, and just place right here for him to enjoy. And here we are. We can able to have a look a little bit closer on details of our cake. And as you can see, this is all the butter made up from the black fondant, and various plants made up from leftover of green fondant, and a little fish. We made them too, one which is obviously laughing, and here our main enjoying, and let me just move it, all these little various parts. Our little man enjoying with his pipe if he does smoke, and if he not, we can just place something else. And here our beer bottle, and on a rock, and various sport equipment, as well as our motorbike. Yeah, great idea. If you have it, something like really he wanted to have it or keep it, just get for him this great unique motorbike and just make sure he watch it, because sometimes they just like it to actually watch it. Just they don't sometimes need it actually have it. Well, thank you very much for your time with me today. I hope you like this creation of our fisherman. Enjoying obviously, and you can add as many details as you wanted. Whatever leftover fondant you have, you can create more little parts to this sort of cake. Thank you very much for your time with me today. I write everything in the description box, but I saw use any cake of your choice. Don't have to be what I used. Use what he likes or what you like. Thank you for your time. Until next time, goodbye.